What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to replace the sprinkler head that went bad on me, shooting water everywhere. So, as you can see, I have a repair I need to make. That's no good. Never attempted anything like this before, so first time trying. Hang out and watch. So that's it. Just gotta go and get a new one. Alright, I'm back. It's starting to rain. Got a Rainbird instead of a Hunter, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it in real quick. Now we got to test it. Check for leaks. It's gonna douse the tripod. I guess that's what it's supposed to look like. So now I just need to fill it back in with dirt, make sure it's level, and it should be good to go. So, I mean, pretty easy really. Just dug a hole around it, unscrewed it, screwed a new one back on. So we'll see. There it is. Pack the grass all back around it and all the dirt I had out. In there good and tight. I did it all before the rain started dumping on me. So I just got to adjust the spray a little bit. It's spraying a little too far that way. Alright, so I made some adjustments to it. Let's see how we do. Perfect. I'm trying to get it so you guys can see the pattern, but I do like the pattern better than the Hunter. So Rainbird, if you're watching, good job. I need 13 more. Hook it up. Yeah, because that head right there, I think I'm replacing next. Let's see how I did. I adjusted it dry, so That's not gonna work. Alright, I'm back. Gotta use this to try to adjust it, because they didn't have any Hunter or Rainbird keys at the Home Depot where I purchased this today. So, okay. There we go. Jump that way to increase. Let it work around. Perfect. But I'm happy with this. I like this head. I like the pattern. I think I did a pretty good job. Had no leaks. Looks good when the head's down. And I like it's getting definitely head-to-head coverage, and I'm hitting my edges. Beautiful. One up, guys. So it's pretty easy to replace a whole sprinkler head. Like I said, I just dug a little bit around it, unscrewed it, got one the same size, screwed it back in, and put the grass back. I mean, it's really easy. So hope you learned something. If you did, give me a comment down below. Tell me thank you or good job or something. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell so you can get informed on future videos that come out. Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks. Till next time. Peace.